Now, okay, like that you can allocate, and I'll explain options of this allocation. First one is show outstanding. Allocations will display only outstanding invoices. Now, if you untick this option and refresh, it will display outstanding invoices. You can see due amounts, and if you click this plus mark, you can view what is the payment. Okay, here you can see that PAY 00082 and 83. Now 82 allocated to this SIV 99 invoice, supplier invoice, and 83 allocated to this 100 supplier invoice. Okay, first option is show outstanding only. If you tick this option, system will display only outstanding invoices or unsettled invoices. If you untick this option and refresh, system will display all invoices of that supplier. Okay, next one, display. There are three options. First one, all invoices. If you select this option, system will display all invoices. Then next option is invoices between. Now from here you can select a date range, and then system will display on those date range. Now we will select we will select a date range. Okay, now we have selected 1st of June 2020 to 30th June 2020. Now here system will display only that range invoices only. Then third option is specific invoice number. If you enter specific invoice number and refresh, system will display only that invoice number only. Okay, right. Then assume now we have allocated one invoice and allocated incorrect payment to a particular invoice. Now for example, we want to unallocated this payment from this invoice. Okay, if you want to unallocated any payment, or if you want to change that allocated payment, you can deselect again or unallocated again. You can select that first you can click this plus mark, then payment will drop to right side. Okay, now again this invoice 99 invoice, total is 3000 and due amount also 3000. Here also you can view this payment, supplier payment, unused value is 3000. That means we have unallocated that payment from this invoice. Okay, now assume this one also incorrect, we will unallocate this payment also. Now we have now we want to allocate this 82 payment voucher to this 100 invoice and this 83 payment to 99 invoice. Okay. Later, if you identify if it is incorrectly allocated, you can unallocate again and you can allocate to correct invoice. Okay, now there's another option, split unallocated item amount. From here, we can allocate specific amount to an invoice. Now assume we want to allocate this 6,000. We will drop to this 99 invoice. Now system will ask what is the value we want to allocate for this invoice. Now initially we just drag and drop, then it will settle. Now we want to split. If you want to split a payment to invoices, you can tick this option and you can drag and drop these payments. Now system will ask allocation amount. So we are allocating 1,000 for this invoice. Now you can see total invoice amount is 3,000, due amount 2,000 because we have allocated only 1,000. Now from this payment also, total is 6,000, unused value is 5,000. Okay, so now again we want to allocate 1,000 for this 100 invoice. And 1,000 for this 101 and 3,000 for this 102 invoice. Okay, now this payment voucher 83 fully settled for these invoices. Now if you want to split any payment to few invoices, you can tick this option, split unallocated item amount, and you can allocate.